Open Photoshop.
Create a new file.
Width 1920 and height valve is 1080 pixels. Make resolution to 72 pixels. And background color to black. Click Create. First we need make our text. Go to the Tools panel and then click Text icon. Text size is 72 pixel. Change text color to white. Type here text. It was golden. Hold Shift key and drag to right side to change text size. Click Move tool and drag align our text to center. Click Text Layer and holding mouse it move to top of new layer mark and then release mouse. New layer created successfully. Click New Layer, select that, and then go to the down menu panel. You click on FX tool, open list of menu, select Gradient Overlay. Click Reset to Default to reset Gradient Overlay setting. Click Gradient, then double-click Color Stop, one-click Color. Select hash code. Type F6 EEAD. Click OK. Click Color Stop 2 and click Color. Enter hash code C1AC51. Change style to reflected. Go to menu list, select bevel and emboss. Change style to inner bevel. Keep technique to chisel hard. Change gloss contour to ring double. Mark checkbox to activate anti-aliased. Also tick checkbox and use global light. Angle is 120. Under the highlight mode, opacity 75%. Shadow mode, opacity also 75%. Size will be 42px. Depth 170%. Go to menu list and select Inner Glow. Change blend mode to multiply. Opacity valve is 50%. Element size is 70. Click Color. Type this code to change color. Click OK to apply our color. Now new layer setting is completed. Click OK. Select Golden Layer and go to Down Menu Tools, click Add New Layer Style, select Stroke Form List. Change Fill Type to Gradient. Change Style to Reflected. Position must be outside. Add 8px to size of structure. Click Gradient Color to pick color. Add color 1 to this code. Use this code to color 2. Select Bevel and Emboss. Style will be Stroke Emboss. Size 8px. Tick to active contour. Select Outer Glow from left side menu. Change opacity to 40%. Change color using this code. Change effect by dragging size until look nice. Okay guys, golden effect logo is done. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share my video. Thanks for watching.